Hi, in today's video, we're assembling the rowing machine
Yes,
first.
remove the two number 55 screws with the Allen key.
So this is the 55 screw and this is the Allen key. This is provided in the kit. So we'll remove this one.
Remove them completely and don't lose the washers.
Don't lose the washers. Okay.
But keep them on the screw.
Okay.
Right, buddy?
And then remove the bottom base.
So the shipping tube, which is that thing on the bottom here, just touch there. I'll just lift it up
This
for
is
you.
this is the shipping tube. So
Yeah,
we'll
so
discard that and then we'll
Now,
put this
we
one.
want stabilizer number 2.
How is the wheel? That way? The wheel is pointing where?
Oh, well, no, I'd go around the other way, though.
The other way.
Well, because when you lift it up,
Yeah.
to
Okay.
transport it, right?
Okay.
Okay.
So
Now,
that's it.
reinsert the number 55 screws and washer.
Insert. Okay. So see, it's not fully assembled yet. So let's assemble it. So after that. Okay. Okay, so the next step is we need to attach this fixing axle of the pedals and then we need to use the screw of number 54. So this locates here,
the bottom hole there.
in the bottom hole here. We put it there and there's a little bit of thing here there where to put the screw in. See? There. So that's where we're gonna put the screw 54 and it's in here.
That's that one down there.
Yeah, we'll remove it.
This is
So that's
the
the
main. This is the fixing axle for the pedal.
okay.
It goes into the bottom one here.
Okay.
The circlip out on this side. That goes there. There. And then on this side here, you've got to put that grub screw in there and tighten that up.
So
So
let's
that locks the axle in place.
this up. So after this is the first step, we remove that by Allen key and put this one here, the base, and then the second step is this rod. It's the axle, and we slid it in, and there's a little nut here, rub screw. And the next step is there's another bolt here. We're gonna screw 2 bolts for the pedal. So these are the pedal pads. So
Left and right.
yep, the other one marked R, so this comes here at the right, and this one is nothing, so obviously it can go anywhere. Okay.
So put the axle bolt through the.
Okay, let's put this through the pad, pedal pad, like that, and then let's bolt it in into the second hole. Okay, let's do it that way. Then the other one. Okay. Put here. Oops. Then we'll tighten up
Spanner number 75.
spanner number 75. So this is multi-functional spanner. So obviously the biggest one is the 75. Okay, start this one until this is tightened. So make sure the bolt won't move when you move this pedal. Okay, so the next step is
To put the seat
seat.
onto the seat rail.
That is the seat rail.
Well,
This is the
it's gotta
seat
go
rail.
this way, so I'd say we have to put arrow, see?
Okay.
Okay, there she is. So
Okay.
that's the seat rail.
All right.
Right.
Okay. The next step is after putting the seat into this rock
Yeah, the sliding
sliding
rail.
rail, We tip it upside
Flip it
down.
upside down. Put the support.
This is the support.
Yeah,
This way.
yep, that's the
Yep.
way.
Then let's get our screw. So these are the screws. Okay.
Right.
Let's
Number,
put the
number
screws.
56 screws and number 60 washers.
Number 56 screws
Okay.
and washer. What number is the washer?
Number 60.
60.
Okay, so we can now
Okay.
all right,
And
so
then
we've got that support. So now the next step is
we'll
cutting rails of the main frame using bolt number 81.
slide it there. Up here.
Yeah,
And then
put on the nylock nut.
lock nut.
You'll need a
Okay.
spanner for this side. A pin should then
Okay.
slip into the back hole.
So this is done. So now this is number 82 pin.
Should slip in there.
Yep, you need to jiggle. Cannot see the hole. Okay. That's the pin. So nothing in there to hold it, but
Now there's a little
yeah,
spring-loaded ball
there's a
thing.
spring-loaded ball. So I think this is the
So that
last
goes in there.
the last thing to put here.
Yeah.
What's to adjust here?
Tighten it up. Go till it's tight.
Just tight. And then the battery, we're gonna
Push the computer up like it did, and
This
then
is-
remove it. Take it out.
this is the computer,
out.
and then we need to take this one out,
Yeah.
and then we're gonna put the battery in here.
Disconnect sensor wire number 34.
Oh, okay. There's a thing there. We're gonna disconnect. Okay.
Color.
What to do is press this black stuff here to release the thing. See? Okay. And then pull this out. So I'll do it with my two hands.
Install the two batteries in the back of the computer.
So now let's install the battery, the back of the computer. So it's here.
The Velcro, pretty corny stuff. All right, put that one in there. That one in there. Just put that back. Pretty crappy, but anyway, there's the batteries in the computer, which is lit up at the front. It's got a couple of zeros.
Okay.
All right, so you have to hook them back up now.
Right. Hook him back into
We
this
could have
thing.
done that without disconnecting them.
Yeah. Why we did.
Well, we just follow the instructions.
Okay, we're just following the instruction. Maybe it's for a good purpose. That's why we need to disconnect. But if you are game to not disconnecting it, just put the battery right away. It'll be fine. Okay, now it's connected. They just
Okay.
only go one way. So,
Okay.
yeah.
All right.
Okay,
So you have to.
put it back there.
How did this happen before? We up and then flip it down. Pretty flimsy
Yeah,
stuff, but anyway.
so that's how it looks like. So,
Yeah, we've still got two screws left.
so the two screws, maybe it's a spare. And this is your handle. And you're gonna row it, like pull it, and you can see how many counts, scan, or anything. So let's calculate for the demo.
Bend down. That's the resistance, how hard it is. It's from 1 to 8.
Mm-hmm.
So I'll just put on 4.
4.
No, this on here.
Yep.
You see that?
So there's number 4. That's how tight and how.
Yes. And
And then what's the monitor here say? That's how many times?
oh, that's the number of strokes you do.
Ah,
see?
okay.
So Okay.
0 to number 4.
But I just wonder, 2 for 3 seconds and it'll reset to 0.
Okay, you need to touch it for 3 seconds and it will reset to 0 and you can start rowing. And then you're gonna choose which
Resistance
level for the tension control. This is a tension
level.
control.
So magnetic resistance. Yeah.
Yes, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So now it sets in number 4 and off you go. See? Okay. Put your thing inside of that strap.
No, bugger that.
Bag that.
That's not very much tension.
So you need to put it to the maximum, 8.
Oh my.
That's the number 8 there.
Yeah.
So now let's see how it feels like.
There's a technique to this too. I'm buggered already. it's very awkward.
Very awkward. So that's how you're gonna do it. But the proper thing is you need to put your feet here, feet there.
Under the strap so you can't fall off.
Yeah. If you want safety, it's better not to put there. So if you so if you fall off, you can balance with your feet.
Anyway.
Yeah. Did you like it?
I'm reserving my judgment.
Reserving your energy.
No, my judgment.
Okay.
I've got no energy.